Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing by Ashna. Today we'll be unboxing some perfumes. First off, we have the Chloe Low perfume, which comes in this pretty pastel pink and white box and has a floral fragrance. This fragrance has a subtle but elegant scent with pops of citrus and earthy aromas. This perfume has perfectly combined the sweet rose notes with the magnolia flower. The bottle of this perfume is a pretty blush coral color. Chloe's perfume is decorated with a beautiful ribbon and the bottle itself has glass groove pleats. Next we have the Bvlgari Magnolia Essential, which comes in a black and burgundy box. But first we have the gift that came with the perfume, which is a pink and red makeup bag with a gold and red stamp as the zipper. This perfume has a floral and natural smell to it with notes of raspberry, magnolia, orange blossom, musk, and patchouli. Magnolia Essential was designed around the magnolia flower scent and created a fragrance that has a mysterious vibe to it. The bottle is a burgundy color with gold writing and a gold cap, giving it a complete elegant look. That's all for today's video. I'm excited to use these perfumes. My personal favorite is the Magnolia Essential because it has more of a natural scent. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos. Bye bye!